Hello, this is Will from ProBackup, and in this video I will show you how you can backup your Jira projects. As you can see here, I'm logged into a small demo account with just a few sample data. So to get started, you can click here on Apps, and then click on Explore More Apps to go to the Atlassian App Marketplace. Then you can search for ProBackup, and click on ProBackup for Jira. Then here you click on Get App to install the app to your account. So it can take a few seconds before the app is installed. Once this is done, you can already go to Manage Your Apps, to go to the apps of your account. And then the ProBackup app should appear here within a few seconds. Let me just refresh the page. And as you can see here, now we have ProBackup for Jira. And then you can click here to get started. So if you don't have a ProBackup account yet, you will first need to create a ProBackup account by filling in your email. If you already have a ProBackup account, then you can just log in to your account. So once you've done that, you are redirected to the onboarding process to add Jira to your account. So in the second step, you can choose the scope of your backup. So in this case, all projects are selected by default, but here you have the option to deselect some projects. In this case, I'll leave both of these selected. Then I click continue. On the third step, you have the chance to sync your data backups of Jira to your Google Drive. So how does this work? In the first step, we backup your Jira data every 24 hours to our servers, and we store it there with heavy encryption. And then from there, you can sync those data backups to your Google Drive folder. So in this case, we'll create a Google Drive folder in your account with your Jira backups. And then within that folder, we'll create a folder for each workspace, for each project, and create Google Sheets where we will sync all of these issues, comments, and files in readable formats. So if you want to know more about this feature, the Sync to Google Drive feature, we recommend checking out video on our YouTube channel. For now, I will skip this at this step. And then I'm already at the last step of the onboarding process. All what is left to do is now click on Start Backup, and this will initiate the first backup of my Jira account. So depending on the size of your Jira account, this can take up to a few hours. But then once the first initial backup has been completed, you will receive an email from us with some information and stats about your Jira account. And from then on, we will backup your account automatically once every 24 hours. So there's no further step from you required at this point. The first backup is on its way, or it's already completed, given it's such a small demo account. But there's no scheduling or any further configuration required from your side when you sign up. So it's a very quick and easy process, just a few steps to connect to your Jira account and to start the initial backup. Once the initial backup has been completed, you can also access your data backup through the user interface. So I'm now on the summary page where you can see some general statistics, but you can also click on backups, which is where you will access your Jira data. So I click on backups. On the left side here, you see all of the data types that we are backing up for Jira. So you can see here issues, projects, attachments, comments, and so on, custom fields as well, which can be very helpful. If you click on issues, then you can select your different projects here, and as you can see here, all of the data is backed up. So you can scroll to the right quite a bit to see all of the information. You can also click on an item to view the content in that way. And then once you've updated this issue in Jira, then we'll create a new revision. So let's say I change this item in Jira today, then tonight a new backup will run, then tomorrow a new revision would appear here, and I can navigate like this using these buttons through the different versions of my issues. And you can do the same with project, attachments, comments, all of these data types. That's it for now. I hope this was helpful. If you wish to know more about the features of ProBackup, there's separate videos on our YouTube channel where we go a bit deeper in the restore functionality of Jira, and also the other features such as the different reports and the different settings, like how to invite your teammates and stuff like that. Thanks for watching.